Hi, Park Ranger Marty from Jurassic Quest, and it's time now for Science Sunday, a fun look at the science of dinosaurs, and we're in part 4 of Dino to Fossil. Now, they've actually found the fossil, so what do? Well, first of all, they want to mark the exact location and the exact layer of Earth that it was found in. Then, they want to see how much of a fossil they have. So they're going to dig all around the fossil to find out. Now sometimes you just find a fragment, and if that's the case, like a tooth or something, and that's all there is, well then you're probably going to just wrap it in aluminum foil, tape it up, label it, and then you'll send it off. However, if they find something larger, they need to protect it because fossils in the field are very fragile. So they're going to put it in what we call a field jacket. And what they do is they dig around to find out how large it is and around the area, and then they break it up into smaller pieces that'll be able to be shipped. Now, if you can ship the whole thing, that's great, but you always want to leave a little matrix around it. Now, matrix is the rock that the fossil is embedded in. And so you'll dig around to see how much, and then the part that's exposed, what you're going to want to do is put a layer of aluminum foil on it, so the stuff that you put on next doesn't stick to the fossil and damage the fossil. And then you're going to put plaster of Paris straps across it. And they're just little pieces of fabric that are soaked in plaster of Paris. And then you lay them on it and it forms to the fossil. And over time, it hardens into a hard little plaster cast. And then you can dig underneath it, flip it over, and plaster the rest of it. And then label it once again, make sure they know what it is and what it belongs to, because they're going to get this jigsaw puzzle back in the lab and they're going to need to know what to do with it. So that's what you do at the field. You figure out where the fossil is, you protect the fossil, and you label everything and record everything correctly, and then send it off to the museum. And then that'll take us to step 5 of Dino to Fossil.